Hi, gentlemen. Just a quick note that I'm unavailable today, Thursday, the last week. And of course, Friday there's no classes due to student free day. So, as per the news item there, we have um, started nothing on the countdown. So, we'll be continuing on the topic when we get back in term four. All I need you to do is make sure you complete exercise 3C and 3D. Remember, we have the lessons, which all have at least two videos to show you. And remember, just to go to the chapter 3 linear graphs outline, which you should already have printed off, so you can quickly check off when you've completed it. They're the exercises you need to do. Remember, with the exercise 3D, I did ask you to try and do that with, exercise 3D with a calculator. Now we're just trying to do that manually. All right, so have a great holiday. We'll see you in term four. Bye.